Hello guys, you're back with another video of Catia V5, and in this video I will show you how to design this particular part on the right hand side. And this is the continuation of the practice design for beginner series, and this is part 5, so let's get started. If you haven't watched the last 4 videos, do not forget to go and watch it first to get an idea what exactly we are trying to accomplish, as our final goal is to do as many part design videos, and then we will move on to circuit designing as well. So in previous video I showed you how to actually design using two different ways. One was along with the circuit design and one was just with the simple part design features. So in this as well we can see that first it is a symmetrical part. On top of that, I can also see there's a chamfer, so I can, instead of making a chamfer, I can just add a 3D feature of here, right here. And then there are two ways I can start from the front view, or I can start from the left view or the right view, whichever corresponds. And then there's a slot right here at a particular angle, as it shows. And then again, there's a stiffener right here. So it's three-step process. First, I can make the L shape, which is right here. Then I can extrude cut or pocket this particular feature right here, and then I can also make sure that these chamfers will be covered, and then I add the stiffener, which will be a third part. So let me show you how would I personally do. So first, I like working in isometric, as I always told. I'm going to use this particular plane, and in this plane I'm going to simply use, so I'm simply going to make an L shape, as I can make an L shape profile. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make something like this, all right? And this I'm going to delete it. It was by mistake. I'm going to go straight, horizontal, straight up, vertical, and aligned properly. There we go. Then we have 100 on this one, 100 on this one, 100 in terms of length, as we all know right here. This is 100. Then 70 is for stiffener. That doesn't matter for now. So 75. This one is from the base till the top. So this particular length is going to be 75 right here. There we go. And then the thickness of this particular thing is 22 right here, as it says. So 22 is the base, this way, 22. And the thickness of the vertical wall is 15, as it says right here. So 15 this way. There we go. So we need to specify with respect to it. So I'm going to simply coincide this particular point with the origin. Coincide, and we have a proper green sketch. I'm going to exit out. I'm going to use pad and use to go mirror extent to have equal amount on both the side. So mirror extent, make sure whatever the total thickness is, you have to enter half of that value. So in this case, the thickness overall is 64, as you can see. So I'm going to enter 32, which is half of it. So we have this particular part right here. So our first step is done, which was forming the L shape, as I told you. Now is the pocket, that's right here. So I'm going to make a sketch which is going to resemble that. So it says 30 in terms of thickness, and then I have to turn it inwards at 60 degrees. So it says that it's basically a trapezium shape, something like this, entering inwards at 60, some sort like that right here. All right. I'm just going to make an axis Well, we already have an axis, so what I'm going to do is hmm, I'm going to see if we have. Alrighty, I'm going to try, oh, not coincide, but midpoint. Perfect. Then I would have an angle of 60 degrees right here till here. 60. Same goes here to here as well. 60 as well. There we go. And then this is 30. And basically from half to half is going to be 15. 15, perfect. And the thickness of this particular thing is 12. As you can see right here, is 12. From the top till the bottom is 12. This over constraint, I'm going to delete this. So it's 12. In terms of thickness, I'm going to exit out. I have the sketch made. I'm going to use pocket. I cannot see how far is the pocket, but let's say it's through all so that we can make our life easier, right? So I'm going to put up to last, click OK. So it's through all or up to last. I just have a habit of saying through all because in SolidWorks it was that way. So I can add chamfers right here, one chamfer right here, and one chamfer right here. And the chamfer is 16 by 16, so 16 in terms of length and width. So those are two chamfers. I'm just left with one stiffener that I would need. I'm just going to, okay, my origin is right in the middle. So this is what I needed. I can hide this plane. So YZ plane is visible. I'm going to sketch on YZ plane. Come here, project the two lines that you need, 1 and 2, make them construction element. Click OK. Press escape. Make sure to unselect construction element. Make a straight line representing the stiffener itself and make the dimensions accordingly. So it says 40 from the top. So I know from this point till the top is 40 right here, and then 70 from here till here. There we go. 40 from top to top. This to this. Perfect. Sounds good. Looks good. And there we have it. Stiffener. So as I increase it, right? 6 is the total thickness or what? Yeah, I needed 12. And 12 looks good. There we go. So there we have the stiffener for 12. And hence the part is finished. As you can see, it was an easy one. There was nothing crazy about it. Easy, sophisticated part designing. Thank you so much for watching this particular video. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. And this is part 5 of Catia Practice for Beginner part series. And thank you so much for watching. If you like it, share it with your friends and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Take it easy. Bye.